Good afternoon, ngayon po ay May 20, 2026 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong May 20, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, May 20, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 20, 2026, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, May 20, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of May 20, 2026, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.